I worked for J&J for over 20 years, worked on absorbable polymers for biomedical devices. And after working for 20 years, I decided to go on my own to develop absorbable polymers for next generation medical device and drug delivery polymers. I believe that the products I have developed are revolutionary, and these technologies are useful for next generation, second generation, third generation medical devices. At Bezwada Biomedical, we have created 6 technology platforms which are revolutionary, in my opinion, that we have literally from biostable polymers which are converted into biodegradable polymers with control release profiles, which can be used all kinds of implantable medical devices and drug delivery polymers. My approach is I see what is missing in our medical products. We see the unmet needs of the medical devices now, which we think it would be helpful to develop. We have over 50 issued US patents, US and European patents, which cover our 6 technology platforms with that we have developed. All our patents are available for licensing except a couple of patents which are already licensed to with one of our collaborators. We have many of our patents are available for licensing the technology. There's an advantage of licensing our technology because we already have proof of concept. Also, we have proof of developmental product which has tested toxicity and basic properties of the product. Licensing my technology is a lot less expensive than developing technology on your own.
We understand our customer needs and we have a highly trained staff working with us. We adhere to rigorous quality and safety standards, and our company is ISO 9001:2015 certified. We are looking forward to working with you.
Bezwada Biomedical is a family. We want you to join our family.